Uh, wow, last words. It just feels to me with all this talk of peace and then having a chance to talk a little bit about being here in Espino, which is, I also wanted to mention when I was asked if I was at peace, I said, being in Portugal makes it much easier for me to find my peace. I mean,
Yeah,
nothing makes me anything. Portugal doesn't make me peaceful. You don't make me happy or unhappy. I do that. I'm responsible for that. But in a certain environment, it becomes easier for me to make that choice. And Portugal certainly makes it easier for me to be
yeah,
at peace.
awesome.
I can choose peace much more easily because, for the most part, my experience of the Portuguese people and all the interactions I have are very peaceful and friendly and generous, and all of that.
Yeah, it helps, doesn't it?
So
No,
yeah,
well said.
peace is a choice, always, like happiness. And the first place to notice is noticing, am I at peace? And then